If you are looking for a tuition where concepts are taught thoroughly, students feel subject very easy and confident, and students are getting outstanding results, miraculous improvement, dedicated and committed teachers, personal attention, and if your aim is high to score above 90 in maths or accounts, so you can join with us. Hello everyone, I am Deepak Kabra, coach with 18 years of experience in teaching. So we are studying crash course from 8th to 10th class for maths, and for 11th and 12th we are studying crash course for maths and accounts. So please join with us and aim high. What we need from students is sincere efforts, and what we need from parents is patience. Even an average student joining with us start getting in 90s in maths and accounts after joining with us. So please join our classes immediately. Thank you.